Many people believe that when Windows stops working, the only solution left is reinstalling the system or taking the computer to a repair shop. But the truth is, most Windows problems can be fixed within minutes, without reinstalling Windows and without losing important data, using just one properly prepared bootable USB. Blue screen errors, Windows not booting, corrupted system files, forgotten login passwords, deleted data, hard disk issues, or even virus infections. All of these problems can be handled from a single bootable USB environment. In today's video, I am going to show you a powerful and advanced Windows recovery toolkit that is widely used by professionals. The best part is you only need an 8 GB USB drive, and everything we will use today is completely free. I am sharing this purely for educational purposes based on my personal experience. I kindly suggest you use your own judgment and proceed at your own risk. So let's go to step by step. First, I will show you how to download and create this bootable USB. And after that, you will clearly see how useful it can be in real life Windows problems. So first, open your browser and search for Sergey Strelek WinPE. Now click on it. Now you will see multiple download server options such as Pixel Drain, Mega, Google Drive, etc. You may choose any, but for better stability, I suggest Google Drive or Mega. Now click the download option and allow download anyway if prompted. The file size is approximately 3.2 GB, so please allow some time for the download to finish. I am not downloading it here anymore because as you can see I already have it downloaded. Just below the download section you will see an extraction password. Please copy and save this password, it's important. Because we will need to use it later. After the download completes, open your downloads folder or wherever you saved. To extract this zip file, please make sure WinRAR is installed on your system. Now, right click on the downloaded zip file. Choose extract to WinPE 10 or 11 using WinRAR. Now click on it. Select extract to and choose the destination path where you want to save the files. For example, I am selecting the D drive. And then click on OK. When asked, paste the password you copied earlier and press OK. As you can see here, the file has started to extract. Now let's convert the ISO into a bootable USB. So download Rufus from its official website. And choose Rufus 4.11. Now save it wherever you want. As you can see, Rufus has been successfully downloaded here. Now it's time to insert your USB drive into your computer. Minimum recommended size 8 GB. Now open Rufus and allow permissions. Inside Rufus, under Device, select your USB. Note: please double check that no important data is stored on it. Click Yes. Now under Boot selection, click Select. Choose the ISO file we extracted earlier. Now Rufus will ask you to choose between MBR and GPT. To decide correctly, open Windows Search. Type System Information and open it. Now look for BIOS mode. If it shows UEFI, select GPT. And if it shows Legacy, select MBR. In my case, the system uses UEFI, so I will choose GPT.
Now under File System, select NTFS.
No other settings need to be changed. Now click Start and confirm with OK. Confirm again. Now please wait until Rufus finishes creating the bootable USB. Once the process is complete, plug the USB into the system you want to repair. Then restart your computer. And enter the BIOS or boot menu key F2, F12, F8 or F10 depends on the model.
Now in BIOS, under Boot option menu, select your USB and then hit enter.
The system will now start from the USB. When the menu appears, select boot menu WinPE 11
and then hit enter.
Now you will notice that this environment loads faster than many traditional bootable tools.
After loading, you will see a familiar Windows-style desktop.
Click the Start menu. Then go to Programs. After that, WinPE. From here, you get access to professional backup and restore software, advanced disk repair and partition recovery tools, blue screen and boot failure recovery, offline antivirus and malware removal, driver repair and network tools, and complete data recovery solutions. For example, if Windows doesn't boot, use recovery tools. If files were deleted, use data recovery. If login password is forgotten, remove or reset it. And if malware blocks Windows, clean it offline. Everything works without installing anything on your system. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.